from the B-roll before this.
My mom's making faces at me. She's trying to make me laugh.
Because usually when we come with people, we forget to do
I know, we
opening.
forget to do opening.
Cutting this opening short because we're getting ready to go down to Living with the Land.
We can do it here. Oh, hi.
We are doing it here. We're going down to 1, right?
Yep. We're coming to see Illuminations. I think we've already said that.
This is before what you're going to hear us say later.
Oh,
Yeah.
gotcha.
That's the way openings work. But we came to see Illuminations because it's probably going to be probably our last time before they cancel it.
And all the changes that Epcot's made.
Yeah. Maybe get some Illuminations merch. See what they have. Whoa.
Ooh.
That's how you stop. Oh wow, look how much better this side looks than that side already. This is what we call Diet Epcot. No festivals. I'm sorry if I'm walking through your legacy. Oh. Looks so much better already though, doesn't it? Yeah. You don't feel like you're funneled in the morning for when it opens. It must be a lot better here.
How about we do a cartwheel and also...
How about I don't do a cartwheel? Alright. Alright, we were asked about handicap inside of the parks. This is one for getting in Spaceship Earth for wheelchairs. You want me to go push it? I will go push it. Just one door. So for example, if you're going on Spaceship Earth, they bring you over into this area and you wait, and then you get about 40 feet you have to walk up into there, and they do ask you if in the event of a breakdown or evacuation, can you walk 2 to 4 flights of stairs, so that is part of it.
Let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today, and then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? Thank the Phoenicians. They invented it. The Romans created powerful empires. To move their armies around, they built a system of roads. The first battleships, and with them our dreams of the future.
I think this is the longest we've ever been stopped on this ride, huh? To give you an idea, that's where you come in with the handicapped area. You wait there, then you walk up that little ramp right there. That's it. Ashley got to do this last time. Here's all the merch for Farewell to Illuminations. They got the light up cups, a hat, ornament, shirts. And that shirt has Figment on it. That's the pass holder shirt. The Raglan tee. How much is that one? 42.
29.
$29.99.
Yeah.
Pass holder. I thought they had magic bands too for it.
Yeah, but you don't get
I don't see them.
They only made 3,500 of them.
Oh, that was it. Oh, my orange bird. They got new.
Oh my goodness.
We just need to squeeze the day.
Squeeze the day.
Squeeze the
Adorable.
day. That's the first new orange bird thing I've seen in a while. So what's our first? Oh wait, this is our second ride. It's going to be Soarin'. Then we have what?
We have the land first.
The land,
Soarin'.
then Soarin', and then Test Track.
We're hitting them all.
We're hitting them all the biggies,
I don't know
except
if
for
we-
Frozen.
Yeah, I don't know if we feel like Frozen.
If we do, we do. If we don't, we came here for the fireworks because it's almost over.
Yeah.
This might be our last time to see Illuminations before it ends.
Beneath the surface of the land, roots trap water from the flowing mud. grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods. Less than ideal conditions. Some, like the water lily, thrive all parts of this plant. Even the flower petals are edible at both sides of the boat. More than 3 of the more popular crops raised by fish farmers to save millions of gallons each year. Pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants.
This is how you time out fast passes. Got off the Living with the Land, walking right on Soarin' with the fast pass. So I don't know if I caught it before we got on it, but the people who are lined up, you're lined up by rows 1, 2, and 3. Row 3 just walked and all sat in row 1. Then they actually made them get out instead of just putting us in row 3, which I like that they did that. We're having a little bit of splitting a pizza, but we had a really big lunch, right, hun? And she just tried this, but you said it was really sweet.
It was really sweet.
But I had a memory card error, so I'm gonna try it.
You had a Bob error.
You got a what? A Bob error?
You had a Bob error.
You get them both. You get the lemonade
Right.
and the tartness of the tart or sweet for the watermelon.
Yeah.
I like it.
They didn't have any really good like cupcakes or anything. No new treats really.
We looked at the seasonal cupcake. It looked like it was an ice cream cone, but she said it was pineapple flavored.
That's different.
Did not look like it'd be pineapple.
No, not at all.
Alright, so there's the entrance to Test Track. There's the entrance to Mission Space over there. And there is a space-themed restaurant being built. Can't really see too much of it, because you can't get too close to it. But big opening there. Pretty cool.
Bob's gonna build us the perfect, fastest car. There we go.
Commencing sim car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
There's a space restaurant. Overall score 199. Overall score 199.
Jimmy said hi.
Little tram, what bus?
Or the semi.
The semi? Yeah.
Oh, that's.
How much are these?
I like the tram.
I wonder if these will ever make it to the character warehouse.
$19.99.
$19.99 is not bad.
That's
No.
bad.
That's cute. Those are cute.
Oh, look at they got the cruise and the lightning shirts in here. How much are they here? The Tragical Express, the Magical Express, all that. These are like those Mickey racers. Totally forgot to show the process for the wheelchair in this one. It was pretty much the same. You had to go through the whole line as everybody else. Oh, there goes the car. And then when we got up to the top where you get in the car, they moved all the way to the front row so they can move the chair over quicker. Transfer it. So I guess the good part about it is you get the front row. We're gonna go over to Mouse Gears and look at for the the new Illuminations merch. Well, not new because it's going away. The going away merch. They had the best lobster mac and cheese. Look, they kept the Toy Story ones up even after Flower and Garden because Toy Story 4 just came out yesterday. I think we're going to see it Tuesday, right? Hopefully it's good.
Probably crying.
Gregory told me it was emotional. You know they're going to tug at some heartstrings. It's a Disney movie, they have to. That's what I call one big A bow. It's a little big. Makes your head look small at least. Yeah, and it was working. You're changing, clang-a-lang-and changing, chang-a-lang-and. I don't know. Don't let it be smarter than you. Don't let it. Aw, look at that. July 18th, Lion King.
Look at these headbands. Those are cute.
Yeah. How much?
The headband. The headbands are $13.99.
$13.99?
These don't have prices on them.
All right. You got to get used to it sometimes, but Epcot looks weird without all the topiaries and everything from festivals. Diet Epcot, in effect. Did I tell you I did get to see the Toy Story monorail go around earlier?
You did. I haven't seen it yet. That's why I haven't seen it.
We saw it at Walt Disney World.
I haven't seen it here.
Yeah. Beautiful sunset behind the land and Figment. Everybody's stopping to get a nice picture of it. Including Ashley. All the bees right here. Oh, that's a lot of bees up on there. I'm not going to get any closer, but you can see them buzzing around. Getting ready for Illuminations. Will this be the last time we see it? When's the last time you're going to see it? $19.99? I'm surprised because you started collecting salt and pepper shakers.
You get 20% off.
Yeah. I like that too.
Yeah, it's cute. We're going to see if we get a good spot for Illuminations. All right, on the topic we were talking earlier on handicap, they do have an area, viewing area available at 8 p.m. It's a pretty good spot too. The Fast Pass area is all over there, but this is the handicap non-Fast Pass area. And they make sure anybody in a chair or whatever gets up close and we can stand behind them or step back this far. Looks like the crew is getting everything ready out there. I'm gonna go slowly over here. And right there, that green square is Ratatouille. That's the ride building.